comes off the roof really quick, tends to be that the site is graded to get the water off site really quick, hits the road, goes downhill really quick, and then gets in as a big flash event, or larger flow, and quicker and dirtier into whatever the local receiving waterway is, the creek, the river, if there's a bay, whatever that is, that often our stormwater plumbing just brings water that normally would have, if we didn't have this house built here, water falling here would soak in here and take days to years to get to the local water body, where now we have roof, downspout, little drain channel within the landscape road, and this whole conveyance system that actually brings that water from this site to the receiving water body in minutes to hours instead of days to years. Water moves very slowly through soils. Depends on what type of soil you have and how much water, but that's kind of the main difference, that rather than letting the water soak in, hydrate, keep this area nice and moist and therefore generally well vegetated, and move slowly through the soil in a very clean and cool state. It moves really quick along the landscape, along our streets, gets really dirty, picking up all the stuff that comes off our brake pads, drips out of our cars that people dump here and there, and picks that up, warms up, and gets to the receiving water body hotter, quicker, and dirtier in higher volumes, that then leads to increased flooding. Not that this will stop flooding even if it's done on a massive scale, but it can certainly alleviate some of those flood pulses. And it's from like a aquatic life standpoint, water that passes through soil and vegetation before it gets to a creek or a river is much better for aquatic life than water that comes straight off the street and gets into there, because soil and plants are actually really good and really adapted at eating up pollutants. So a lot